credit report tip of the day. If you own shares, take action to borrow against these shares and not use your credit report by starting with your investment broker. Ask whether your portfolio qualifies for share pledging or securities-backed lending. Ask what percentage of your holdings can be used as collateral, and ask which stocks are eligible. Whether your shares are listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, Barbados Stock Exchange, New York Stock Exchange, or Toronto Stock Exchange, the process is similar. Your broker reviews the value, liquidity, and stability of your shares, then outlines how much cash you can access without selling them. This shifts the focus from your credit report to your assets, allowing you to use what you already own to fund business growth, real estate, or new investment opportunities while keeping your portfolio.